Kamusta mga balibulista? Pinatawag ng Ateneo Blue Eagles ang UST Golden Spikers 15-25, 32-30, 20-25, 25-20, 17-15. Best player of the game si Jet Ligopio matapos humakot ng 17 points mula sa 14 attacks at 3 blocks. Panalo naman ang FEU Tamaraws kontra sa Adamson Soaring Falcons 25-23, 25-20, 25-19. Best player of the game si Drix Saavedra sa likod ng kanyang 13 points mula sa 9 attacks, 3 blocks at 1 ace. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, wagi ang UST Golden Tigresses kontra sa Ateneo Lady Eagles 25-19, 25-16, 25-19. Best player of the game si Angeline Poyos sa likod ng kanyang 25 points mula sa 20 attacks, 2 blocks at 3 aces. Tinalo naman ng FEU Lady Tamaraws ang Adamson Lady Falcons 25-13, 25-22, 25-17. Best player of the game si Faida Bacanqui sa likod ng kanyang 14 points mula sa 13 attacks, 1 block at may kasamang 8 excellent digs. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of March 9, 2024. FEU Tamaraws 5 wins, 1 loss. Delesio Green Spikers 4 wins, 1 loss. NU Bulldogs 4 wins, 1 loss. Ateneo Blue Eagles 3 wins, 2 losses. UST Golden Spikers 2 wins, 3 losses. Adamson Soaring Falcons 2 wins, 3 losses. UP Fighting Maroon 0 win, 4 losses. UE Red Warriors 0 win, 5 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of March 9, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 5 wins, 0 loss. Delesio Lady Spikers 4 wins, 1 loss. NU Lady Bulldogs 4 wins, 1 loss. FEU Lady Tamaraws 3 wins, 3 losses. Adamson Lady Falcons 2 wins, 3 losses. UE Lady Warriors 1 win, 4 losses. Ateneo Lady Eagles 1 win, 4 losses. UP Lady Maroon 0 win, 4 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 10, 2024 na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena. Maghaharap ang UE Red Warriors at NU Bulldogs alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang UP Fighting Maroons at Delesio Green Spikers alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutuos ang UE Lady Warriors at NU Lady Bulldogs alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ng UP Lady Maroons ang Delesio Lady Spikers alas 4 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.